Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome to another episode of the Strength Classroom. I'm going to be continuing my home gym equipment series, and today I am going to be putting on display my weight vest. In my opinion, this is the best weighted vest on the market, depending on what you're using it for. As long as you don't have to do like burpees or anything that you might have to touch the ground to your chest with and you can't do it elevated, then I would not suggest this vest. Although they do sell some attachments that can make that possible. But that's probably for another video. So, this is, I don't know if I'm saying this right, the Kensui or the Kensui weighted vest. I have the Pro version, version 1. I got this in 2020. It can hold, it says, 110 pounds. My rule of thumb is whenever something is rated to a certain amount of weight, they're telling you it can guarantee go to that. If it breaks, they might be liable. Don't be afraid to go over. However, you might be in jeopardy of damaging or breaking the product. So I try not to go over 90 pounds on this. One of the main challenges you can have with this vest is how to put it on. So let me demonstrate it for you. Here is the vest. This is the back with the straps. This is the front with no straps. Look very carefully, it has like some sort of locking system. This is what locks on the plates. So, very nice design. The weights sit high on your chest. There are some weight vests where the weight sits very low, and I find those are much easier and stress the muscles to a much less degree than something that sits up high. There's a name for it, I just can't remember. So follow me, we'll put some weights on this sucker, and then I'll show you the best way to put it on. All right, so I have both sets of weights on right here. All you have to do, I will say, I wish they did come up with a better system for this, because it could get quite annoying to spin this on, but I must say it is very secure. So just tighten it, make sure nothing's coming loose, and the best way to put this on, if you'll just join me up here, is to grab the end with the straps, lift it up just a slight bit over your head, even it out from the front. Then you're gonna grab each strap, loop it through like you're putting on some sort of backpack or any other fastener, and voila, you're good to go do your push-ups, your dips, your pull-ups, weighted vest walking, whatever. Now, as you've seen in my videos, I do have to elevate myself if I am deciding to put weight on the front. Sometimes I'll forego that and put only the weight on the back so that this can touch the floor. So in terms of being a weighted vest for my needs, I'll honestly give it a 10 out of 10. I can't think of any way to make this better. Maybe I should have bought the one that could hold more weight. So I think this is the perfect purchase. I can't remember the price of it. Go on their website, Kensui Fitness or Kensui.com. I can't remember. Just type in Kensui, K-E-N-S-U-I. It'll come up. I give it a 10 out of 10. I don't have a promo code. I'm just doing this for my own good. So if you have any questions for me, drop them in the comments. And as always, class is dismissed.